The multifunctional tactile balance track, thanks to its modular structure, allows you to vary the difficulty level. A great way to use it in a children's study room is to independently assemble and disassemble the track. Such games improve spatial and visual perception, develop self-care skills. Soft curves and texture of the elements contribute to the prevention of various disorders of the musculoskeletal system, including flat feet. Exercises on the equilibrium track develop the vestibular system, coordination skills, and motor planning skills. The track is used for exercises aimed to improving the ability to balance, strengthen the muscles of the foot, strengthen the muscles of the shin, forming the arch of the foot. It is also known that the work of the vestibular system affects the emotional background, social skills of the child. Therefore, its development improves the emotional state of the child. It can also be used for ergotherapy, cerebellar stimulation, exercise therapy, and 3C cycle therapy.